और मैं दरख्वास्त करता हूँ ज़का उल्लाह से कि वो आएँ और अपनी स्पीच पेश करें।
A very good morning to everyone. I would like to speak on the topic of health and fitness at the celebration event of this special occasion. Nowadays, people do not take care of their health and do not realize the importance of their good health. As we all know that health is wealth. However, people following this regime are very less in number. Good health and fitness is very necessary to carry out all the routine tasks. Some people have wrong consideration about being healthy, means they understand that they are healthy if they are physically healthy. They never considered the health of their mind. Being healthy means feeling of well-being physically, mentally, socially and intellectually. Good health is not only to alleviate good physical disorder, it also means being mentally healthy. An unhealthy mind leads a person towards unhealthy body and vice versa. It is very necessary to balance the mental and physical health to enjoy the life and nature's beauty. Good mental health make a person able to feel well-being with good inner strength. We all should know how to take care of our body. A daily timely routine. Exercise and eating proper daily food are first way to stay healthy and fit. Taking food according to the body requirement, high in protein and vitamin and low in sugar, salt, fat, alcohol is good for the fitness. People should select and eat right food according to their body type that may provide required energy to them. Healthy food energizes the body, keep person happy and provides a happy mind. On the other hand, poor nutrition make a person sad, angry, tired and worry, which are not good for the mind. Advantages of being healthy and fit. Being healthy and fit helps in controlling weight. It helps in combating with health disorder and seasonal problems. It helps in improving and mood and boost energy level. It promotes better sleep every night without any negative thought. Being healthy and fit reduces the risk of cancer and so many other advantages. Let's all strive to make health a priority in our lives by taking small steps toward a healthier lifestyle. We can significantly improve our overall well-being and live fulfilling lives. Thank you.
नाज़रीन, अगर आप हमारे तहरीक पॉइंट चैनल पर नए हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें और साथ ही अपनी कीमती मशवरों से हमें नवाजें।